and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. In today's video, I'll be talking about the software engineer role that has opened up at Apple. So this is a part of their service engineering, storage, infrastructure and reliability branch. So for this job role, you'll have to be present in office in Bengaluru, Karnataka. And this is quite a recent job posting. This has been posted 3 days ago. So make sure to apply before the link expires. Moving on to the minimum qualifications that they want you to have. You should be having a 0 to 18 months of industry experience in software programming and infrastructure engineering, right? So 0 to 18 months of experience is fine. And if you have some strong problem solving skills, strong fundamental grasp of computer science topics, and some good knowledge of data structures and algorithms, something that all companies they test during their interview process. And apart from your minimum qualifications, when you move on to the preferred qualifications, if you have the ability to write and release code in one of the high level languages like Go is preferred for them, but Rust, Python and or Java will also do, but it is not restricted to these languages. You can have knowledge in other languages also, as mentioned in their preferred qualifications. And if you have some good understanding of Linux, Kubernetes, containerization, virtualization, and definitely a strong teamwork mindset, a strong growth mindset, and you thrive in a collaborative environment, then you are generally in all teams, you're a perfect fit, right? So these are the minimum and preferred capabilities, skills that they have mentioned as a part of their job role, job description. Now moving on to the hiring process that Apple generally follows for the software engineering role. They typically have 5 to 6 rounds for freshers in engineering roles, and this typically takes for about 2 to 3 weeks to understand the final result. So first round will be an online round. So first you submit your resume, submit your application, that gets shortlisted. So make sure you cover in your skills, in your previous experience sections, whatever highlights that you have, they are aligned with the requirements that they have posted as a part of their required qualifications, right? And that will be followed by a pre-screening with the recruiter, which will take about 15 to 30 minutes, followed by a telephonic technical interview, which will be a coding challenge, which will take 45 to 60 minutes to complete. Now once you are done with your online rounds, you will be sitting for a technical interview, which will also be virtual. So you will be focusing on more core concepts of computer science. DSA based questions will be asked. You'll have to code your solutions out with the best possible data structure, best possible time complexity. System design questions, you can expect questions on project or resume that you have mentioned in your application, you can expect. Now after your first technical round, you may have a second technical round covering more of the domain knowledge, advanced DSA system design. It may or may not happen. Here also expect a discussion on projects and resume. And at the end of your second technical interview, you will be having an HR round where it's a general discussion to assess how culturally fit you are for this role and how motivated you are to join a company like Apple. And they also ask questions about your resume, previous experiences here. So these are all the rounds that you will have to sit for to be able to crack this role at Apple. Whether or not you get selected, make sure to hit the apply button. The link to the job opening has been mentioned in the description of this video. Go ahead, check it out before the link expires. And if you're liking my content, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I do post quite frequently on companies which are currently hiring for engineering roles which are full time as well as internship roles, especially for college students who are on the lookout for this. So please subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot, and hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.